Hi, I'm Andrea Lilienfeld, and I'm here today with Julie Darmalowski with the K Grant Group and Francisco with VM Construction and Remodeling.
Hi, Andrea. Welcome back.
Yeah, thanks for having us. So we're back at the Optima Camelview today, where Francisco is going to be teaching us how do you frame out a room in a building like this. So I'm excited about it, a little nervous again. I learn something new every time I'm with you.
Let's do this.
So, can you kind of tell us, where do we start? Right now, this is just an empty space, and it has been, but this is going to turn into a bedroom or den area, correct?
Yeah, this is going to be turned into a bedroom.
Okay.
And require basically walls. So you can see it's up in a space now.
Yep, I wouldn't feel very relaxed sleeping in here right now.
Yes, right. So at this point, basically, everything depends on the physician. So he wants to close, and based on what he wants, we frame wherever he wants to say.
Okay.
So in this case, as you can see, we need to frame an L-shaped wall, which is going to be wall here, matching with that wall, and here basically wants a door right here. For all that, we will always go with drawings or quick writings or this is the dimensions I want for the opening, for the doors, and all that stuff. Everything else, like materials and how we perform it is awesome. But we require basically for the owner what exactly we want.
That makes sense. So, we're putting walls up.
Right.
What are you attaching the drywall to? What is the wall? How's that happen?
Well, magic, right?
I love magic, so you have my attention.
Now, well, this complex is really particular because we use metal studs. It's not like homes, like regular homes. So they use wood studs. Here we use metal studs. So metal studs basically come in different sizes, of course, as well as wood. And here in different gauges. So this is we use for this side, this complex is 20 gauge. Basically, the smaller gauge is the thicker material, which is not requires a lot of support. This building doesn't require support, so we don't need 16 or 14 gauge. So 20, 25 gauge, it's okay. So, and we require track and a studs. So let me show you.
Okay. I've never seen something framed out in metal like this before.
This is our base. This is the track metal, and our stud goes here. This is the difference between track and a stud. So the track's solid piece has basically really shallow in us. Only this comes in a 10 footers or 16 footers. Comes in different lengths, but sometimes we don't need a longer tracks. We get 10 footers, enough for kayak and do whatever we want.
Okay.
So, same as studs come in different lengths. So this is basically 20 gauge, and we don't need it. This is a 9 foot length, 9 foot tall.
Okay. Oh, it's the perfect height.
Correct. We have to cut it. We have to trim it a little bit.
Yeah.
And it comes in different lengths, and because I know that the height of the ceiling. We always try to buy that material. We need it exactly. So, because it makes sense to waste money. And get it 10 foot and cut it a foot and waste a foot.
Waste money and extra time.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
So, well, this is the
so
material.
this is for what we go something down vertical. This is what we're gonna attach here to the concrete.
Correct. This goes on the floor, and it goes one more in the ceiling. So then you can fill this every 24 inches. Okay. Because this wall doesn't require support. It's not for heavy or for anything.
Yeah.
Basically a low burn wall. It's not. It's just a wall. So we can set it up or stuff every 24 inches. Some walls require 16 inches, but in here, since it's just closing bedroom, not required. Only 24 inches and we'll be okay.
I'm excited to see how we're going to get attached to concrete in a way that's sturdy enough for a wall that potentially people are hammering stuff into and the whole works.
Got it. Okay. Well, to attach it to the concrete, we usually basically we use a special, let's say, nail gun. So
Okay.
just nails to the concrete. And it is really powerful. Actually,
The nails go into the concrete through the metal.
Let me show
I'm
you.
gonna put on my goggles.
Not
Don't
yet.
touch anything.
Not yet. Well, this is a Renovate brand. So this
Okay.
is automatic. It's a 27 gauge, basically caliber. So this is a really safe. It doesn't shoot anything until you press here.
Okay.
So this is our safety. When you
So
press
that's
this one,
the safety is
yeah,
pressing
correct.
down.
You see,
Oh, yeah, and it kind of clicks. So an auto is on safety.
correct. Right now it's safe. It doesn't shut anything.
Okay.
Only you press here. This way. Okay. This is an automatic. It basically the only thing you have to put a new because it's only one. It comes with a different, let's say, sizes or
Okay.
like more automatic. Some are like automatic and it fits the bullet so it can shoot more nails. And some come with actually a strip of nails, which is this is the nail we use. So
Okay.
this is a 1/2 inch, and basically
Okay.
this is a 1/2 inch metal to metal. So, but again, this is a 1/2 inch for metal. This is a 2 inches for wood or for concrete, but for structural.
So this looks very different. I would never be able to get this in with a hammer.
Never.
Okay.
It will be really hard. It might, but it will be really hard.
We saw how I did the hammer and the concrete
You're right. No.
for the counter, so I'm
This
guessing.
is basically more for a 2x4 to a wood stack. So what basically goes gonna be just a little into the concrete. So you can go all this into the concrete.
Okay.
You can see this is really thin.
Yeah.
It doesn't require this big now.
Okay.
So we use a 3/4. That means it's a little bigger and have more chance to get into the concrete.
But it really secure itself.
1/2 inch is more for metal because it's shorter, has less a chance to bend it.
So metal into metal,
Metal
1/2
into
inch.
metal.
The 3/4
To concrete.
you want into concrete. Okay.
Correct. So, okay. Before shoot anything, we
Yeah.
have to get measurement. We have to lay out all
Yeah.
the stats and everything to get it to this point. Okay.
Because if you were to use that and you put it in the wrong place, how do you get it out?
No way. You have to either use a pry bar or chisel to remove that, and now you have a damaged track. We can reuse it, but it's not. It's not okay.
Prep work is really important with this. We're going to take these goggles off. We're going to do some measuring exercises.
Correct.
Okay.
So now let's start always for let's say for ball. Basically, you want us to basically follow this ball.
Okay.
So now we go here. So we have 93 and a 5/8. So keep in mind. So if you want to flash, we have to take away the 5/8 of the thickness of the drywall.
Of the drywall.
Drywall comes in different sizes. So 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 5/8, 1 inch basically. So in this property we use 5/8. So it's a little bit bigger. So again, we have to go 93 and 5/8. So basically we have to frame it at 93 inches.
Okay.
Or put our first start right here, 93. Right there.
Okay.
Right there. But since we don't know, we know the dimension of the door, we need to frame this side first because this is the one that gives us that square now.
Yeah, that makes
So, in
sense.
this case, we have 93, so it's 93 from the wall, which is right here.
Okay.
90.
Yeah.
Now we have already our wall here. So the little piece of extra, we're gonna cut it 61. 61.
I'm going to step back and let you work your magic here.
You're right. 61 about there.
Okay, that's easier than I expected.
Yeah, this is next. So cut metal. So really easy. That's what the good thing about this material, because it is really easy to cut. Safety first.
Safety first. Okay.
Now we have our wall ready. See?
Oh, and it matches up perfect.
Right there. So now we have to basically remember this wall is finished. If you want to continue this wall, so we have to move the wall on the side, the track 5/8 inside.
For the drive.
For the drive.
Yeah.
Now is where the money comes. Okay, now you have the bullet. Okay, you have the bullet. You have already set up. So our first bullet's done. You ready?
Yeah, give me the first bullet. Should I all? Okay.
So just it's gonna be kind of loud. Just and when you have usually we say fire is basically to warn everybody else we're gonna shoot.
Okay.
Just that's it.
Okay.
Doesn't go through, but it's enough that to keep them in place. Doesn't go anywhere.
Okay.
All right. That's our first. Now that we have it here.
Yeah,
So
it's
we
flush.
have 137 1/4.
Okay.
You have to go 137 1/4 here.
Okay. Yep, it's flush.
There we go. That's it.
Okay.
Now, you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so interested to see like the kick and everything, how it feels.
No worries. Doesn't show anything.
It's my hunter safety.
Right.
I mean, my dad taught me back in Iowa that you never stand in front of any gun.
Yeah. Just make sure
Okay.
get there, and you can do it anywhere you want.
Anywhere?
Yes.
How's this flat look?
Okay.
And then I press it
Just
down.
press it down.
How far down?
Yeah.
There.
There we go. That's fine.
And yell fire.
Fire.
Fire!
And you got it. Basically,
Okay,
that's
there's
it.
some kick to that.
Yeah, right? It's an actual gun. So, yep.
Okay, wow.
There's one more. All right. Fire. That's it.
Is there a certain distance approximately like those apart or just to make sure there's enough that it can't?
Correct. Just enough to make sure you have enough. Yeah, not.
It smells like gunpowder.
It's a color. It's a 20 color. Yeah.
That's my first time I've ever seen one of those.
All right. Now, our second step, after we have that one, so at this point, it's exactly the same procedure as the ceiling. So after that, you have to use for laser. What do you do with my laser? Off.
Is it in that bag?
Yeah, put it in here.
Okay.
So this laser,
I can still smell it.
so this laser is basically a self-level laser. So
Okay.
it doesn't matter how you put it, it will tell you. Let's say, right there. It's right there where you have to put your track on the feet.
Okay.
So basically, that's where you put your track, and then signs. We have different levels of ceiling.
Uh-huh.
We have to cut it for right here.
And then you put another one there.
Correct.
Okay, that makes sense.
So
You're brave. I'll make sure you're loud.
33 1/4. So we cut it here.
You can tell you've done a lot of these. It's like second for you on steps. Oh, because that's the one that's going into the ceiling. Because that's the center one, not
Yep. And this is basically now. That empty. Then we need solid screws. That is the screw.
So that now, because it's ceiling, you use a screw gun.
Correct.
Not the actual gun.
Correct. And here, yes, that's what we do.
Okay.
And again, it's just the wall. It doesn't require support like attached to that. The metal deck and the ceiling, that will more than enough to support.
Okay.
So now you see this laser is right in the corner.
Yeah,
I just
you
make sure
keep
to
it
fall.
there.
Keep it there.
Okay.
So,
Make sure that
which is
it's
I'm sure it's that corner right there.
Oh yeah. Okay. Maybe a slightly different screw.
No, the thing is, someone calling me.
Oh.
I think it's pretty good.
This is why you wear a hard hat. You
Yes.
never know. Match it up with your dot. Oh, that's neat how it's magnetic and helps you pick it up.
Yes. So, but sometimes it doesn't work the manilla, so I have to basically.
And if you need me to hand you something, I can be a great little helper. Okay.
So basically, that's it. And to make sure we have it right, so we look for the. There we go.
Yeah, that matches perfect.
Yeah, basically that's it.
Okay.
That's our part. So let's put a few more screws to hold the screw.
Okay.
And then that's it. Now, basically, we measure the head, the height. We have 107.
Okay.
Let's cut our start 107.
Oh, for the wall. Oh, it's close.
Alright, and this is our stuff.
Oh, it fits right in there.
Right?
Okay.
And that's it. So we just,
And then how do you attach that?
okay, now using the screws, bring it. That's many different, these are pointers.
Okay.
The ones are basically, they have to be the smoothest flat head. It doesn't have to be like really big head or like
Okay.
countersink head. Why? Because we require that drywall gets to the studs.
So you don't want it to bump out.
Correct, yes. If we
And you
use it
can
for-
see how sharp this is and how small. Because it just has to go through these two little metal pieces is all, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yep, basically using this here.
Okay, so I can't wait to see when this is all done here. How long do you think it will take you to do the metal framing of this room?
Probably like 4 or 5 hours. So yeah, basically.
Okay.
It's not a lot. Again, it's only this wall and this wall. The only thing is time and cutting. It's not
Yeah.
figure it out. Especially if you see the ceiling has some drop downs.
Yeah.
So we have to frame all around. So the basically beam, ceiling, high ceiling. So it's basically.
Okay, so by end of day today, this will be metal framed and we'll be able to see the shape of the room.
Definitely yes.
Awesome, I cannot wait. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come back once the metal framing's done to show you what that looks like. And then will you walk us through how do we actually get drywall attached and all of that?
Definitely.
Wonderful, so make sure to join us. We'll be filming the next section within the next 24 hours, it sounds like. And if you have any questions at all about how can you frame out another room in your own home or your condo, or maybe you're looking at a potential investment property and how can we add another room to add value, please reach out to us. Both Julie, myself, and Francisco would love to help you with the project. We can be reached on my cell phone, which is 480-387-3990. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.